How to add someone on Telegram with QR code. Open the Telegram app on your phone. Look at the top left corner of the Telegram screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. Tap on them to open the menu. In the menu, tap on Settings. Now, at the top of the settings screen, you'll see a little square with lots of little squares inside it. Tap on that. It's the QR code icon. Your screen will show a big square with a unique pattern inside. This is your QR code. If someone scans this code with their phone, they'll automatically add you as a contact on Telegram. If you want to add someone else, ask them to show you their QR code. You can do this with your phone's camera. Open your camera app and point it at the QR code. If you have Google Lens on your phone, tap on that. It helps to recognize the code. Once your camera recognizes the QR code, Telegram will ask if you want to add that person as a contact. Tap Add and you're done. And there you have it. Adding someone on Telegram using QR codes is straightforward and convenient. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. If you have any questions or other topics you'd like to see covered, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and stay connected.